This is Zolox Visuals. We're doing Soaked with Savannah today. We had our 3 big lights, we had a black cloth, we had our trusty Canon gear, and a water hose. And that is all we used today, maybe some gels as well. But I wanted to show you kind of what we do on one of our soaked shoots where we use water and colored gels and models, and we have fun. And this really comes down to backlight. If you notice in most of our setups here, we have 2 lights acting as our backlight, firing, in this case, a purple and an orange light. And then we have 1 key light, which is a gridded Godox 600 into a 45 deep focus reflector. And this allows us to illuminate the water against that black background. And then the key light is our Godox with a deep focus. And that allows us to give some light onto Savannah, our model here. You know, our settings were kind of crazy. We were at ISO 50 f11 1/200th, and that's just to make sure our ambient comes way down, and then our lights were like at half power to a quarter power to bring them way up. So our strobes were working way above our ambient, and in this way we could, even during the middle part of the day, we could still create this really cool rain effect without having to go in studio. Water and electricity don't work, so I would like to mention that we're on just battery powered. So if any of the flashes had water in them, they would just short out. What you're seeing here is I'm actually trying to get water onto the front of my lens so that when I shoot with that now and the light hits, I get these really cool bokeh balls. Now, you do have to trust your equipment. I do use L lenses for Canon, which are generally pretty well waterproof. I've never really had an issue after 33 times of doing this, but that is how I get that cool kind of in-camera bokeh effect. So anyway, I hope you enjoy taking a look at what we're doing in the rain. It's a great way to cool off in the summer when it's 99 degrees outside. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Follow along with what we do.